We made it.
What up?
Absolutely no sleep.
What did you see? Tell me what you saw.
Sunrise. All it did was look like the
Tell me what you saw.
Northern Lights.
Alright, we just got to the sand dunes. We're gonna hang out here for a minute, kind of play in the water and check it out. But look, let's see how far we can cross that little river to get to the other side.
Yeah.
Alright, this is our first hike of the trip. It's called, what is it called? Malign?
Canyon.
Malign Canyon. And we got like 1 mile to do. What's your favorite part of the trail?
My favorite part of the trail was the really big part where I fell down.
What's your favorite part of the trail so far?
My favorite part of the trail is where all the nuts are on the floor. It's because you could just pick up a nut anywhere. Like you find a nut and then you just pick it up. I mean, I'm a big fan of nuts.
A couple days ago we couldn't have done this trail because the road was closed, the trail was closed, it had ice, it had snow, the branches are on the ground because it was a bad storm. Watch the route.